Welcome to the best picks. The best organic tamari is probably one of the most versatile and flavorful condiments you can find in the kitchen. Today, we're diving deep into the world of organic tamari sauce, exploring what makes it special, uncovering its unique taste profile, and discovering why it's a favorite among health-conscious foodies and seasoned chefs alike. We will also be looking at the different brands available, comparing their quality, and helping you choose the perfect organic tamari to elevate your culinary creations. Number 5. Sanjay Organic Tamari. It's certified USDA organic and gluten-free. Made with 100% whole soy, it offers a richer, bolder taste than regular soy sauce. This soy sauce is certified gluten-free by the Gluten-Free Certification Organization. Enjoy its delicious flavor without worry. Sanjay has been brewing tamari using family methods for 8 generations. It's a commitment to quality and authentic taste. It's incredibly versatile. Use it as a marinade, in stir-fries, or as a dipping sauce for your favorite foods. It's brewed and fermented with just water, soybeans, salt, and a touch of alcohol for freshness. No artificial anything. What we like? This tamari is certified gluten-free and made with 100% whole soy, resulting in a richer, bolder taste. If you're gluten intolerant and appreciate a deep, complex flavor profile, this is the perfect choice for you. It's great for those seeking a high-quality, authentic tamari experience. What people say. The best soy flavor without extra salty and no wheat. This is tamari for all purpose and very tasty. Sanjay Organic Wheat-Free Tamari Soy Sauce has proven to be the best-tasting gluten-free soy sauce we've discovered. The flavor is rich and authentic, providing a satisfying alternative for those avoiding wheat. It's got a beautiful red tint like a pour tea. It's got a wonderful smokiness, a deep and complex flavor, a slight sweetness, and the perfect balance with a touch of sour from the fermentation. The umami is pleasant. It isn't too salty by any means. Number 4. Sanjay Tamari Sauce. This is Sanjay Tamari, a delicious and healthy alternative to regular soy sauce. It's perfect for adding a savory umami flavor to all your favorite dishes. Enjoy the rich taste of tamari without the gluten. It's naturally brewed for a superior flavor profile. It's lower in sodium than many traditional soy sauces, making it a healthier choice for your family. Enjoy the flavor without the excess salt. Made with certified organic soybeans, it's a delicious and healthy option. It's carefully crafted to maintain the highest quality. Use it in marinades, stir-fries, dipping sauces, or as a finishing touch. It enhances the flavor of any dish. From everyday cooking to special occasions, it adds a unique depth of flavor to your culinary creations. It's a pantry staple you'll reach for again and again. What we like? It's a great option if you are watching your sodium intake but still want the delicious taste of tamari. This one is certified gluten-free and organic, making it a healthy and flavorful choice. If you're looking for a lower sodium, healthier alternative, this is it. What people say. This tamari is low sodium and doesn't contain wheat like many soy sauces. This is for sure our favorite soy sauce, and not only is it gluten-free but it seems to not be as salt-laden as other brands. Most soy sauce contains wheat. Tamari does not. So it's soy sauce, but without gluten. Number 3. Ohsawa Tamari Soy Sauce. It's made with simple, wholesome ingredients including organic soybeans, water, sea salt, and organic sake. You can see exactly what goes into each bottle. It aids in digestion and is rich in minerals, vitamin B3, protein, manganese, and tryptophan. It's a delicious way to support your well-being. It has a lower sodium count than regular soy sauce, so you can reduce your salt intake by about 30% without sacrificing flavor. Enjoy the taste without the extra sodium. It's traditionally brewed in cedar kegs by the Degachi family in Japan, using time-honored methods passed down through generations. Taste the tradition in every drop. It's a delicious addition to sushi, tofu, vegetables, and even fruit. It's wheat-free, alcohol-free, preservative-free, certified organic, and kosher. Enjoy it in all your favorite dishes. What we like? This tamari is traditionally brewed using time-honored methods, resulting in a unique and delicious flavor. It's also low in sodium and offers several health benefits. If you appreciate artisanal products and are looking for a healthier alternative to regular soy sauce, this is a great choice for you. It's perfect for those who prioritize health and traditional food preparation. What people say. This tamari is absolutely wonderful. It has unrivaled flavor, depth, and smoothness. IMHO This wheat-free, gluten-free, tamari is the best soy sauce, made the original way by fermentation, not factory processing. Besides being healthier, it has more complex, deeper flavor and will take your recipes up a level. I'm not a fan of soy sauce, but this tamari is in different league. It's flavorful, smooth, complex, rich and not as salty as typical soy sauce. Number 2. Eden Organic Tamari. It's Eden Organic Tamari, a naturally fermented soy sauce bursting with flavor. Made from non-GMO US soybeans, it's the perfect addition to any dish. This soy sauce is crafted from the finest non-GMO, organic soybeans grown in the USA. It's a testament to quality and taste. Enjoy the rich taste of tamari without the gluten. It's naturally brewed for a deep, savory flavor that enhances any meal. It's more than just a soy sauce, it's a versatile condiment that elevates your cooking. Use it as a marinade, dipping sauce, or finishing touch. The convenient amber glass bottle features a dispenser cap, allowing for precise pouring or just a few drops. It's both stylish and practical. This is a true tamari soy sauce, completely wheat-free. Experience the authentic taste and quality of Eden Organic Tamari. What we like. Made from non-GMO soybeans and naturally fermented, this tamari offers a clean and pure taste. It's also gluten-free, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary needs. If you prioritize natural ingredients and a clean taste, this tamari is the one for you. It's perfect for those who are health-conscious and want a simple, high-quality product. What people say. So much more depth in the taste compared to soy sauce. No wheat, less salt. The best soy sauce, robust flavor, not salty, only need a few drops, hard to find in stores. This tamari sauce works perfectly with the rice, making it the right consistency and taste for the rolls. Number 1. Sanjay Umami Tamari Splash. It's bursting with umami flavor from amazing ingredients like tamari, red miso, and black garlic. This sauce will make all your dishes taste incredible. It's gluten-free and certified by the Gluten-Free Certification Organization. Enjoy the rich flavor without the gluten. Made using traditional methods passed down through 8 generations. It's organic, non-GMO project verified, and certified vegan, so you know it's good. It's incredibly versatile. Just splash it on or in your favorite dishes for an easy flavor boost. We use high-quality ingredients and traditional methods to create a sauce that brings joy to every meal. Taste the 2 centuries of wisdom in every bottle. What we like. This tamari boasts a bold umami flavor and is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for adding a quick umami punch to any dish. If you are looking for a convenient way to boost the flavor of your meals, this is your best bet. It's great for busy cooks who want to add depth of flavor without a lot of fuss. What people say. This is good on all kinds of things like meat, chicken, rice, veggies, and ramen. This is essential for me, since I love sushi and stir-fry vegetables but need to keep my sodium intake lower than 2000 gm per day. FYI, even reduced sodium soy sauce is a sodium bomb, 590 gm per t versus 280 for this sauce. I sneak it into sushi bars in a little rubber container and mix it with juice of lemon wedges to make my sauce. And because it's thicker and a more bold taste, it takes less of it to do that than with soy sauce. This was a huge surprise. We love Sanjay Tamari and trust the brand. What can it do up against all the flavor of the tamari? Answer, a lot. You don't know what you're tasting, but, wow, this brightens up the flavors and completely changes your marinade game. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.